Welcome to the Leon Marketplace Guide for Brokers. In this video, we will show you how Leon Software's sales module works with the connection with the marketplace. First, enable the Leon Marketplace. To do this, go to the Admin panel, Add-ons section. Here, find the Leon Marketplace, go to the Configuration tab, and switch the status to On. Now, we can start using the Sales module to get the flights. In the Sales module, Request Quote section, you will find the button Find Charter at the bottom, with a Leon icon. If you click on it, you will be able to define the client for which you would like to create the request, the minimum category of the aircraft, airport of departure and destination, as well as the date, time of arrival and departure, and the number of passengers. You can add multiple legs by clicking on the plus icon, as well as delete the not needed legs by clicking on the trash bin icon. When the route is ready, click Search to find the available flights of the operators that are using Leon software. For the purpose of this guide, let's select DLeon Aircraft Operator. During this step, you can also send messages to the operator, and click the Request button to send the request. Now, you just need to wait for the operator to reply to your request. Once the operator replies, you will be able to see this information in the main view of Request Quotes. The request will be bolded, and you will also be able to see the information about unread messages. Once you click on the request at the bottom part, you will see the details that will be transferred from the operator profile in Leon, including the basic details of the aircraft, with the possibility to see pictures and cancellation policy. You will be able to see messages that were sent from the operator. In this case, the operator sent us the quotation document. You can also check amenities, services, and documents. You will also be able to see the operator price, as well as define the margin and third-party commissions if needed. At any point of this process, you can do a rerun search, so Leon can show you that a lower price has been found. To do so, simply click on the paw icon next to the Find Charter in Leon Marketplace button, and Leon will show you available tails. With the statuses, you can send messages to your clients. With the quote status, you will be able to send flight quotation documents. Charter documents can be sent from the contract status. You can also click Book Status, which would be applied in this request. Flight briefs can be sent from the brief status. Done will finish the request. Reject and cancel statuses are also available. Once you click the Book Status, you will also be able to share PAX data with the operator. In this case, the passenger details will be sent automatically to the operator that is using Leon software. Other tabs will allow you to check the calendar, summary, map of the flight, and a checklist that will show you the preparation of the flight. In this case, you can add multiple items to be visible here, switch statuses, expand items to add notes or upload files, and, if needed, you can also delete them by clicking on the bin icon. In the PAX tab, you can define the passengers that will be flying. In the Ops and Crew tab, the operator can send the details of the flight that you have requested. In this case, they will be able to send you crew information, handling, permits, slots, PPRs and catering. In the Notes tab, you will be able to add notes, which then can be added to the documents that you will be sending to your clients. In the Messages tab, you will be able to see the whole correspondence with your client, but first, you need to add your mailbox in the Admin panel, Mailboxes section. Now, you can enable the Leon Marketplace and get the best deals.